everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside another customer creation. This one makes me very happy. This is going, just about an hour away to my friend Michael's. And we did a 16 by 76 Caborn, one of our largest and our most popular single wides. And it's a little windy out here, so I'm going to try to hurry up and get inside. But let's check out what we have going on. You can see underneath the doors, we've got some extra reinforcement. That's called a pier saver. What that's going to do is make sure that your doors stay nice and enforced and through the life of the home. Underneath here, we've got our fresh water connection. We've got a frost-free faucet there. This is going to be the dryer vent. We've got the 4400 Brunswick color on the siding on the outside. We've got blue shutters. Those go together pretty good, I think. An electrical receptacle. And here we go, another pier saver. So that tells me right away that we've got a package on this home. Now, when we go on the inside, it's going to feel nice and warm because of the colors that he chose. All right. We did an optional reverse aisle. Now this home is definitely going into a park, so he wanted to make sure both doors were on the same side. I believe he's going to be parking on this side, so he wanted it to be very accessible to his parking. So when you're coming inside, we're going to come into a wide open living area. And when you turn it around, we're going to see wide open to the kitchen. We've got dark tobacco on the floor, Timberwolf on the countertop, or on the cabinets, Desert Springs on the countertop. This home is produced by Champion Homes, and that's who I am. My name is Christina, and I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes. And people come and visit me from all around, all the Great Lakes states, and they visit me here at the factory. I provide them with a factory tour where I show them step by step how the home is made. And then we sit down and we design the home out according to the floor plan that they've chosen. Here we've added a gas stove. We've got the standard hood, and that hood is going to vent all the way out, folks. We've got a laminate backsplash here that's going to match the countertop. Dishwasher. 18.2 cubic foot on the refrigerator, and the customer has opted to add the overhead shelf, giving you a nice enclosed look on that refrigerator. I love that look. We've got the standard Casper cashmere walls, which is a nice neutral gray color. White on the trim. Headed back to the primary bedroom, you're going to see a nice spacious bedroom. And this is something I'm super excited about. I love to do this in every closet. This customer thought it was a great idea. We did extra skirt and shirt racks. So you would have one row all the way on the top, but we've added a second row to give you some additional storage. We've got an extra cutout. Well, this cutout is always here. We've added an extra electrical receptacle in there. I imagine there's enough space on that wall to definitely do a king-size bed. We've got perimeter heat where you're going to see the heat registers right up against the wall. In our homes, when we build them, we build inline sectional heating. That means underneath this floor, we're going to have ductwork all the way down the middle of the home. And if you choose, we will run extensions for you to put your registers up against the wall. Coming into the primary bathroom, I love what we did here. Here's the Tri-View medicine cabinet. Hi, everybody. We've got a dual vanity, but a single sink. So if you're looking for some extra counter space, that's the way to go with that. This particular floor plan is a nice, spacious primary bathroom, and I wanted to be able to show you this feature here. This is the walk-in shower, the two-seater. You can also get this without doors, as we're seeing right here. So there's the option with doors and the option without. This is the option without. And in this case, you would end up putting a shower curtain there. In this floor plan, you're going to have a built-in linen closet in the bathroom. So lots of room back here in the primary area. Now let's head down to the other end of the home. All right, coming up to the back door, we're going to have our panel box here, and this would be a 200 amp service in this home, I remember. And then bedroom number 2. Let's go on inside so we can see the closet area. Again, I did double racks in here. This is going to be for their son. Washer dryer area. A nice feature of our homes is you're going to have a water shutoff right here on the inside of the homes. Back in the day, they used to be underneath. You'd have to crawl underneath there if you needed to shut the water off. Here's the second bath. Kept this one nice and simple. Still added a single medicine cabinet in here. Bedroom number 3. And here we go with the closet. So, super happy to make this one for the customer. I appreciate you all watching the videos. I've had plenty of people come and visit me in the last couple weeks since I did the last video. And as the weather warms up, so do the deals. So I'm hoping to see you guys real soon. Thanks everybody for watching.